This is over number 33 in the Landside Terminal Short-Term Garage. At the Pittsburgh International Airport, PIT. High voltage. Here it is. Head down to 1. I'll see you up here. It's an Otis. That fan's annoying. Has a little bit of classic leveling. Classic leveling. Take a look at the call station. Three. These buttons are a little tricky. Here we go. Does it jolt? Yep, still does a jolt. This is not in the best condition. Just your basic airport parking garage elevator. Early Series 1 with newer rails. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone, which is a Viking. This panel's loose. There it goes, and that's it.